Okay, so I know. Mrs. Nino, do you remember her for her hand? Now she's having a bit of a problem with her hand, and she's having some issues. So we're going to try some of the gold stuff on her today. Let's see what happens. Okay? All right. Are you ready? All right. You want to try? Yeah? Cool? Okay. All right. So this here comes randomly with a small little thing here. Okay? You just take this off. Right? And then you close it again. And you go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Take it out, and then you'll ask Nino to put some on her fingers. And there's gold in here, so she's gonna see some gold. There you go. Okay, do you see the gold right there? Oh, okra. Okay, okra. All right, so we're gonna put this around all of the neck, back here, in the back, okay? Yeah. And we're gonna mark it. What time is it? You watch?
16:26.
16:26. Okay. Yeah. Put it also up here. There we go. You want one more? I'll give you a little more. Let's start with one more, just in case. Okay, so we're gonna put some more. There you go. Go. Okay. And also up here, Nino. Right here. Yeah. Okay. So the head challenge that she has, ask her on 0 to 10, how bad was it?
At this moment?
Yeah.
ეხა
Before, you know,
ტკივილი რაც ჰქონდათ, რა ნულიდან 10-მდე როგორ შეაფასებდით? 5-ზე წამოვსვათ.
You had a car, right?
არა, მანამდე. აი სანამ წაისვით, მანამდე როგორ? So she can't really tell me a number, but she can tell me that she checked her blood pressure. It was so bad that she checked her blood pressure.
Yeah. Discomfort.
Yeah, discomfort.
Okay. All right. Well, let's see what I can do again. Now, she had this, right? She's doing okay right now. Is it causing her any problem that she put this on?
No.
Does she feel anything?
No. She told me that she felt even better. She felt better. Yeah,
okay.
That's what she told me.
Okay. Hi. Good. Is it better? Really?
It is, I swear. I swear it doesn't.
You're happy?
I swear I checked my blood pressure. I swear I checked my blood pressure. I was feeling bad. That's what she said. Now I'm feeling better.
What time is it?
Time is 16:28.
So 26? 25? We started?
No, we started on 26.
26. Now it's 16:28?
Yeah, 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, sir. You're a good man.
I can't believe it. Okay, Nino. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so now you see Nino is getting better with her hand and her leg. So I'm happy for her. Okay? Try it. You'll never know. Maybe it'll help you too.